Hi, my name is Olivier from Activity Messenger, and in this video, we are going to look at court booking or different rentals for rooms that can be done through Activity Messenger. It's going to be a very simple example for a tennis club. So this is what the client could come into. It's going to show them all the different hours that courts are available. So let's say I can come and pick up the 8 a.m. block from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Then I can go and select which court I want. So obviously as people book a court, then it's not available anymore. I click on book. I can apply coupon codes. I can, book more. I can go back to the checkout. So I click on checkout here. And at this point, again, everything in orange is admin stuff, but the person would come in and review their order. And if they want, they can purchase more or reserve more courts. Then they would click here and it would just have them fill out their information as well as signing off on the waiver that you might need at your club. As an admin, I don't need to put a client, so I'm just going to skip through that. And then they get to the next place where you could have a credit card payment, which I didn't activate here, or they could just simply have no payment if you want. So I click on reserve now, and I can see that I just got reserved here. I can go back to continue shopping, and I have my email. I got an email with my invoice and waivers signed to me. So it's kind of the flow of people just picking and choosing which courts they want to book. The way you create it on the back end is we'll have what we call packages in the platform. So some of them are called court booking. You can add ledger codes, categories. You can decide when you stop selling. Do you want to stop selling courts, 2 hours before because you got to get them ready? How long do you allow clients before an event, a book, a court reserve date to cancel so they can go in on their own and cancel, and a bunch of other toggles to really make sure your business rules are respected. Obviously, description, we can add images, and the important part is the booking part, right? So what we did here is we had a small tennis club that has 3 courts. We built out those 3 resources, meaning that there's 3 spots available at each time because there's 3 courts, and as people book them, then it becomes unavailable as soon as those 3 are gone. I can allow our client to choose or not. It can be auto kind of attributed to the client. Then there's a pricing schedule. So in this example, it's a $12 fee from this date to this date. And here's all the days that it's opened, right? That people can book. So if let's say on Saturdays, it actually closes a bit earlier, right? So I can go in and say, okay, I want this to end at 5 p.m., right? So you can decide the schedule of these courts as well. You can have add-ons. So if you want to sell balls that people can, tennis balls in this example, and just say, there's a $5 fee, so people can add that, and you just kind of give it at the front desk. In terms of payment, we can do payment offline, credit cards. We have Interact e-transfer, so there's a bunch of ways we can collect payment. We can also decide how many people. So it's a singles, doubles, and then kind of split that invoice. And we can fully customize that checkout form with your waiver and more information as well. And we can even activate a wait list, right? So the wait list is going to do that if somebody kind of cancels, first person on the wait list is going to get a text saying, hey, it opened up and you can go and book a court. You save that, and then you can create as many booking packages. I have another video on the memberships, so I can allow memberships to have priority reservation as well. So specific types of membership might be able to book 7 days in advance. Others, it's only 2 days in advance. So there's all that complexity, but I really wanted to create a very simple video. And if you want more information, you can visit activitymessenger.com and book a demo. Thanks.